let me try and explain to you what I'm actually trying to do. So I'm going to quickly show you my Virgin Media, and it is, come with me, it's here, see that? There, down there? There, and it's on wireless. It's my HDMI wireless connection to my projector, which is in my kitchen. Let me just quickly show you. Follow me. Yeah, it's up there. Look. And I've got it on my wall. There. See that? Now the problem I have is, well, two. One, I have to keep taking the picture down. Like so. So I can see what's going on. And the other one is, well actually three, it's the wrong colour wall. It needs to be a light wall, like a white or virtually white anyway. And it's got a big nail in it. So I have bought an electronic projector screen. This little baby here. Now I've worked out the sizes and it will fit on that wall with some overhang. Yes, it will go on that wall with a bit of overhang on each side, which is fine because I've measured it up and it's only an inch or two each side. And I thought, yeah, that's going to work. What do you think? See, the colours are really off at the moment because of the wall is it's a battleship grey sort of colour. Right, so this is why I bought a projector screen, and we're going to do an unboxing and see exactly what you get for your money and install it, hopefully. So the way I'm going to do it is I want to put the pictures back on the wall so they just stay there, and I want to put the projector above it, but I might need to draw it out of the wall a bit so I can leave the pictures on there all the time and just use the projector when I need it. Does that make sense? Right, yeah, hopefully it does. Right, let's get on with doing the unboxing, shall we? Right, so it comes with two sets of instructions, one for the actual projector itself, or the projector screen, and another for the actual two different ways of controlling it. One being a controller, which I will be testing it out later, and one being a remote, which is probably the one I will use. Now the thing I liked about this, especially on the actual projector, it's actually got a wiring diagram to show you if you need to make any adjustments or you need to make some sort of modification. You can actually see the actual wiring diagram, which is unusual. And there are a couple of different ways of mounting this. You can either mount it on say a stand or tripod or something like that, and you can use the actual hook, or you can do what I've done, and which is using the eye connection or the eye thing. So just put a couple of screws in the wall, but actually I'll put them on a bit of wood, but you can actually put a couple of screws in and then fix it to that. Very easy to do, by the way. But like I said, I am going to be doing some modifications to make it look even prettier, and also I will be taking the pencil marks off the wall at some point. to my final thoughts on this projector screen. It does exactly what it says on the tin. It is very good. It's very easy to use. It's already been preset, so I didn't have to make any adjustments to say, oh, you're going too far down, or you're not stopping when you go all the way up. It done exactly what it's supposed to do. Goes down as far as it can go and just stops, and goes up to its maximum and automatically stops. Although you can actually stop it yourself. So all I need to do now is sort out my colours from my projector, because they're a little bit saturated at the moment, so I need to play about with getting the settings right so it looks more natural, and also turn the brightness down a bit because it does look a bit too bright, but that's just me needing to play about with it. So with that, you know what to do. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down. Consider subscribing and click on the bell to get notified for when my videos go live. And if you have any comments, please post them in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching.